talk about the usage, how these ordinal numbers are used. And we see what we have on the board. The first one is der erste Tisch. Der erste Tisch. The first table. Nummer 2. Das erste Fenster. Das erste Fenster. The first window. Number 3. Nummer 3. Die erste Tür. Die erste Tür. The first door. Okay? So, what is determining this gender are the nouns on this side. This Tisch is masculine, so we have der erste Tisch. Fenster is neuter, so that's why we have das erste Fenster. And Tür is feminine, gender, feminine. That's why we have die erste Tür. But then we come to another set of examples. And under these examples, I will first talk of the first one and the last one for a reason. I'll come back to the to the three in the middle. The first one, heute ist der 6. April. Today is the 6th of April. 6th. Remember, 6 dot, and this is how it's written. 6. April. I say it again and you say it after me. Heute is the 6. April. And then I go to the last one. Das dritte Haus von links ist mein Haus. Das dritte Haus von links ist mein Haus. If you want to write this one with a cardinal number, of course you say das dritte Haus von links ist mein Haus. The third house from left is my house. Das dritte Haus von links ist mein Haus. Now, we come to the 3 in the middle. We have touched the first one and the last one. Now we come to the 3 in the middle. It has a little peculiarity which we must take note of. Now, the first among the group is Sie kommt am 6. April. Sie kommt am 6. April. She is coming on the 6th of April. You see, once you see this one, it is on the 6th. Anywhere you see the this E will have another N. It will be 16. 16. And then, ich wurde am 18. geboren. Remember, the ham is here also. So, it will be 18. geboren. The N will be there. Because it's I was born on the 18th, 10th. So you have something like this. Ich wurde am 18. 10 E-N. 18. So look at it. 10, and then you have E-N again. Accent representing 18th, and then 10th October. Accenten, 10th geboren. Remember? Because it is on the am. And then we go to the third one. Ich habe am 7. Ich habe am 7. April Geburtstag. Of course, just for clarity, normally if you are writing it in a sentence, you don't need to put this one. Once you have indicated it like this with the dot, you are saying the same thing. So just for clarity, that's why we have it again here. Ich habe am 7. April Geburtstag. I have birthday on the 7th of April. Ich habe am 7. April Geburtstag. Okay, before we round off, just to show you some things, very important, and just as we count the numbers, there are just some little changes that you will notice. Remember, we have, for instance, eins, which means 1. Zwei, 2, 3, 4, 4. But then we have eins. But when you want to, that is 1. But when you want to say first, look at the changes. It becomes este. That's very significant. Please note it. Este. And then we have drei. That's 3. Drei. But then when you want to say third, you say dritte. You see there's a deviation from the original form, from where it's coming from. So we have dritte. And then look at sieben. That is 7. If you want to say seventh, you say siebte. 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 The en is off, and you say siebte. So we have erste, dritte, siebte. So those are the areas we need to pay special attention as we make use of these numbers. Okay, aber jetzt müssen wir einige Übungen machen. Ich muss einige Testen geben. Also, machen wir das jetzt. So we want to do some exercises now, just to prove if we understand what we have just done. Okay, bleib dran.